bacon, please.
I'm guessing I take the plastic off of it.
Yes, please. Merry Christmas, pumpkin.
How long for the timer?
1.5 hours, please. Can we write your name? Should we write your name? L-I-A-M. Or M-E-U-M. Since you like to call yourself Miam. Should we open another present? Instead of this one? Where's Superman? Superman? Yeah. You turn it over. There you go. Turn it over. Yeah. Turn it over. Spin it. Do you help? Turn it over. You gotta turn it over so the little peg is sticking out. Yeah, you need to see the red side. There you go. How do you make it all disappear? Can you erase it all? You gonna draw a circle first? Good job. Can you draw a triangle? And now be gentle. What happens when we move this? Does it disappear? You want me to write Mama? Ready? M-A-M-A. Do we want to open another present? Okay. Go find another present. Oh. Go find another present. Okay.
Okay.
Here, you help. You go sit. This Green Toys company is your company. Christmas brought to you by Green Toys. You're too cute. What is it? helicopter. Should we get it out? Should we take it out? It's not a helicopter. This thing can go into outer space. Provided Mommy can get it out of the box. I need 2 hands for this. Willow. What is that? No, it's a rocket ship. Should we put our little astronauts inside? There's one. What color is that one? What color is he? Blue. Open it. There you go. Good job.
Say 3, 2, 1. Stand on it. Don't stand on that.
Buddy. We don't step on this. We might break it. Hey Willow, can you move please? Is it getting close to 9 o'clock?
Come on, Pup.
Alright, Pup. Can you take your chew bone and go to the bedroom?
Yeah. Come on. Come on, Pup.
Can you say 3, 2, 1, blast off? Can you make it fly?
No.
No.
What's flying? What's flying? What's flying now? Mom present.
You want to open another present?
Hey, you're getting low, buddy.
Let's see if we can find you
I
something.
hope
Let's see. That one's for Dada.
yeah.
Okay.
That one to me.
This is to. Whoa! I hope it's not breakable. That one was to Mama. Let's see. Oh, here's one. This is to Liam. That's Status. This is Liam's. Do you open it? It's for you, buddy. Here, can you? I'll help you. Come here. I'll get you started. Thank you. You want to open it? Daddy's going to be jealous. Are you ready? It kind of matches yours, doesn't it?
I wonder if those are the same ones that.
What's on here?
The pictures are the same ones that they did.
Well, I got these from Think Geek.
That is on Liam's
Yeah.
t-shirt.
Well, you know what? Then he'll have two. So. Alright, there's another one under here for you, buddy. Here, look at that one. Woo! Can you open this one? You've got that one. I'm purposely saving the little one for. I think is the last one the little remote controlled one.
That square one there is.
Okay.
There you go. Go
What's
for
the
it.
square one?
Color thing.
Oh yeah. Now, you're gonna have to tell Daddy that that's your present, but you can share with him.
You
okay?
got the coolest thing ever. You don't even know what it is, but it's awesome.
Every kid needs one of these. I don't even care if he's too young for it.
You know what this is? Here, let me show you. Let me open for you.
While Daddy's opening that one, do you want to open? There's one more over there for you. It's one with the, see the little, no, yeah, that one. Open that. Yeah, open it.
Oh, it's a different one.
No, that one's for you. Can you open it?
Oh, no.
Oh, look, there's a monkey sticker.
Monkey
Do you need the monkey sticker? Do you want to wear the monkey sticker? Look at Dada. We still have your stocking to go through.
Look through it. Can you look through it?
Hold it up to your eyes.
Can you see? What do you see? What do you see in there?
Buddy?
Do you see anything? Yeah.
Can Mommy see? Can Mommy look? Wow, these have gotten considerably lighter. I remember. Cool. Here, let me see if I can find a picture you recognize. Okay.
Once I thought maybe the spaceship too.
Who's that?
Look in there.
Look in there. See those? Look in those eye holes.
Hold it up to your eyes.
Hold it up to your eyes. Who do you see? Yeah. Excuse you. You see R2?
R2's not on there. Buddy.
R2's not on there. We got a couple more presents. Let's open them. See what's inside. Do you want to see another picture? You like R2?
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo R2.
It's from Hatu. Mommy, look. Mommy, it's Hatu.
Hello R2. Beep boop beep boop.
Now my turn.
Now your turn. Thank you for sharing and taking turns. That's a good job, buddy. All right, Liam. What's in there? Can you open that one?
Hatu.
Here,
Can you open that? Mommy will hold R2 for you. I'll make sure he stays safe.
Mommy, how about it?
Can you help Mama?
Mhm.
Help. Oh. Wow. What would we do without Star Wars? We couldn't learn our numbers, our colors, or our ABCs. What is that? Who is that?
Only from Hatu. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Please tell me R2's in here
I don't
somewhere.
know, I didn't look at it.
Wait a minute. We find blue. It's Hatu.
Hey, let me see.
There was a little R2 in the.
Let's see
in
if
the
there's a
booth
better
there.
one. There he is.
Who is the other guy? Who do you see? Who else is on the picture?
That.
Who is that?
Hatu. That's Theo.
What's this little bear guy? What is he?
Big.
Is he an Ewok?
I'm from Luke. I'm from
Luke?
Picture of Chewbacca's a little scary.
I haven't seen Blue yet, surely.
Max Rebo.
Who's that?
What the heck? I'm from Luke. It's Hatu.
There's Luke. Luke is wearing orange.
I'm from
Vader. There's a bigger Darth Vader back here.
Dad.
That's the Emperor's Royal Guard. Oh, who's that?
Coffee. Dad.
Here, buddy.
Okay, the last one?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't think you should shake that one.
Nah, that's alright.
Oh my
I think you're gonna find this one's pretty neat, buddy.
You open it.
God. Have to.
Here, wait. Here, do you want it?
You wanna really see?
Yeah, you want to really see R2? Here, open this one.
Then how about this
Here.
one?
You help. Okay, there you go. Who is that? Let me show you. Watch.
So here, you want to...
Watch what he does. Okay, ready? Now. Push. Can you push those buttons? Watch R2. Go ahead, push them.
Push it.
You gotta hold it. Oh, R2 fell down. R2 moves.
No.
Okay.
Okay, ready.
Okay. Now you gotta hold the buttons.
Whoops. Gotta hold it down.
Keep holding. Good job.
Is that pretty cool?
No, that one doesn't have a button, buddy.
You use the buttons on here to make noise.
Hold it down. Hold it. Good job.
Oh no! Had a wreck. What do you think, little buddy?
There's a switch on both of those that we have to turn on.
Okay.
Oh, he's stuck. Try again. Oh, this isn't the best service.
Yeah, the box doesn't work very well. The coffee table is a great place, though.
You make an R2 spin. No, be careful. Be gentle. Nope.
Is your mind blown? Liam. Liam. Are you happy with your presents? Liam? Can you say, "Thank you, Santa," really loud? All right.
Should Mama open some of her presents now?